What is a radar receiver in WWII technology? Imagine trying to listen for a whisper in a noisy room. That's similar to what a radar receiver did during World War II. It was a key part of radar systems used to find enemy ships and aircraft. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. It works by sending out radio pulses toward a target. When these pulses hit an object, they bounce back as echoes. The radar receiver's job was to catch these echoes. It then turned these signals into electrical information that could tell us how far away the target was, which direction it was moving, and sometimes how fast. During the war, radar receivers were part of bigger systems that included transmitters, antennas, and display screens. They had to be very sensitive because echoes from distant or small objects were weak and could get lost in background noise. Early radar receivers worked at lower frequencies with longer wavelengths. But the invention of the cavity magnetron changed everything. This device allowed radar systems to use shorter wavelengths called microwaves. These shorter waves made radar images clearer and detection more accurate. It also made the equipment smaller and easier to install on ships, planes, and ground stations. Radar receivers played a big role in many wartime activities. For example, Britain's chain home stations used radar receivers to spot incoming enemy aircraft as far as 80 miles away. This gave their defenses enough time to prepare. German aircraft used radar systems like the Lichtenstein series, which had special antennas and receivers to find enemy planes at close range. In the United States, the SCR-58 for radar combined a receiver with computers to help aim anti-aircraft guns with high precision. Portable radars with receivers were also used in amphibious landings to detect enemy movements quickly. These radar receivers faced challenges too. Enemy jamming attempts tried to block signals. Weather like rain or snow could interfere, and engineers had to make the equipment smaller for mobile use. Despite these hurdles, the development of radar receivers during the war was a major technological step forward. It improved battlefield awareness and made targeting more accurate, changing how wars were fought.